How to change language for transcription in Audiate. First of all, open Audiate and navigate to the settings menu located in the top bar of the application. Once inside the settings, look for the transcription language option, which controls the language Audiate uses to transcribe your audio files. Click on the drop-down menu to view the list of available languages. Select the language that matches the audio you want to transcribe to ensure accurate transcription results. Changing the transcription language helps Audiate better understand the spoken words, improving the quality and accuracy of your transcript. After selecting your preferred language, close the settings menu and import your audio file. Audiate will now transcribe the audio using the language you choose. If you need to switch languages, simply click on the translate button and select the language you want to change to. And that's it. Now you know how to change language for transcription in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.